Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Director Ma'am, Head Miss, teachers, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that today we are celebrating the 30th Foundation Day of our dear North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School. Established in 1991 with a vision to spread light of education to the students, North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School is the dream project of North Point Education Trust. 5th April, the historical date when the first foundation stone of our institution was laid. It's amazing to see how we have transformed since then, from a small school of few rooms to 3 mammoth campuses. We have faced several challenges but had never failed to bear the torch of education and promise to keep it lighted for the posterity. Teachers, the educators and facilitators, and students with a thirst of knowledge have the pivotal role to play in the entire system of teaching learning. We would like to begin the propitious occasion with a welcome dance, Guru Vandana, owing respect to all the teachers. After the wonderful opening dance, we will now listen to a speech by our Honorable Director Ma'am.
It's my proud privilege to introduce to you, she doesn't need an introduction, she is Ma'am Meena Sethi Mondal, the visionary behind what you see today as North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School. She is the secretary, she's the managing trustee, and she leads us all. So thank you so much, Meena. Thanks a lot. We meet Indrani Chakraborty Madam. She is a member management, a very, very strong force in North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School, in the philosophy behind it, and she's been the founder principal of North Point Senior Secondary Rajarhat. Thank you so much, Indrani. Thanks so much. Good morning. Our school, the North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School, is a school with a major difference, and the difference is that this, for children, is a home away from their home. I welcome you to this program on the School Foundation Day, and many years ago, it was the vision of Madam Meena Sethi Mondal that she thought of having a heaven for education where children will always come in with a smile. So therefore she started the North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School, Arjunpur, way back in the year 1984. and 91. The school began with the baby classes first, and gradually today it is an affiliated school under the Central Board of Secondary Education. Gradually in the year 2004, Meena with her vision came up with another huge sprawling space in Rajarhat. And the school here is a hostel school along with day boarders. The children enjoy themselves, the teachers are like mothers, guardians, parents for these kids. And the children are learning to live a life with dignity and comfort. And then we move on, and another space for education came up in the year 2019 in Bolpur. That's another sprawling campus and has all the facilities that you can think of for the growth of children. Over here in North Point, we are striving for 360-degree growth for students. We want students and teachers to be able to grow and evolve into fine human beings that destiny has designed for us. I thank you all very much for being a part of the growth of North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School. Thank you and kudos. Into fine human beings that destiny has designed for us. I thank you all very much for being a part of the growth of North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School. Thank you and kudos.
Any new beginning is incomplete without the puja offered to Lord Ganesha. On this auspicious occasion of the start of a new session, we will now have a dance performance on Ganesh Vandana.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गीतमन्त्राय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
We will now listen to an inspiring speech by our respected Principal Sir.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today is the foundation day of our school, as well as we start the new session. There will be new books, new activities and new achievements. Our school has successfully completed 30 years under the leadership of our beloved head ma'am, Mrs. Meenakshi Mandal, and at present our school is one of the reputed school in Calcutta. We also miss our head sir, Mr. Shamir Mandal, for his endless contribution in making our school a renowned one. Now we have grown as a family with two other schools in Rajarhat and Bolpur. I am also thankful to all staff who are dedicatedly servicing for the betterment of the school at large. Today, the pandemic has taught the teachers about the teaching process in virtual platform. We all have adapted this new normal. I am grateful to the guardians for their support in the difficult situation. With the cooperation of everyone, I hope that we will move ahead in the future years for our betterment and for our better reputation as well as for holistic development. Thank you.
Happiness always accompanies a new beginning, and in this new normal, after a year-long pandemic, every student, teacher and stakeholder is contented from within. Our inner self and soul feels like dancing. Presenting before you a beautiful dance performance by our students on the song Momo Chitte.
मोमो चित्ते नीति नृत्ये के जे नाचे ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई मोमो चित्ते नीति नृत्ये के जे नाचे ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई तारी संगे की मृदंगे सदा बाजे ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई तारी संगे की मृदंगे सदा ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई मोमो चित्ते नीति नृत्ये के जे नाचे ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई हासि कान्ना हीरा पान्ना दोले भाले काঁপে ছন্দে ভালো মন্দ তালে তালে হাসি কান্না হীরা পান্না দোলে ভালে কাঁপে ছন্দে ভালো মন্দ তালে তালে নাচে জন্ম নাচে মৃত্যু পাছে পাছে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই নাচে জন্ম নাচে মৃত্যু পাছে পাছে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই কি আনন্দ কি আনন্দ কি আনন্দ দিবারাত্রি নাচে মুক্তি নাচে বন্ধ কি আনন্দ কি আনন্দ কি আনন্দ দিবারাত্রি নাচে মুক্তি নাচে বন্ধ সে তরঙ্গে ছুটি রঙ্গে পাছে পাছে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই সে তরঙ্গে ছুটি রঙ্গে পাছে পাছে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই মম চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে কে যে নাচে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তারি সঙ্গে কি মৃদঙ্গে সদা বাজে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই মম চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে কে যে নাচে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই
We will now listen to a motivating speech by our endeared Vice Principal Ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all at the beginning of the new academic year. We know that the beginning of anything new is always exciting and welcoming. Here we are about to begin a new academic session. That means a new chapter of life is about to start. In this new start, you will face new challenges, many new challenges. But be sure to overcome all hurdles and proceed towards creating your own history. Remember, success in school is the biggest success in life. It's essential for every student to do his or her best in school and make a good result in high school. My dear students, success has no shortcut. Hence, be responsible, be sincere, and be creative. And I wish that the session 21-22 will be the brightest year of your life. Thank you.
Our concluding dance is on a prayer song, Anando Loke. Let's pray for a successful new beginning with this dance performance.
আনন্দ লোকে মঙ্গলালোকে
ঝরে নির্ঝর মোহন মধু শোভা ধরণী পর ঝরে নির্ঝর মোহন মধু শোভা ফুল পল্লব গীত গান্ধ সুন্দর বরণে আনন্দ লোকে মঙ্গলালোকে নিরাজ সত সুন্দর।
With this, our program comes to an end. Thank you.